The control surface looks like this. And there's a variety of different control surfaces that attach to the Tricaster. This is a relatively small control surface. If we were doing a sports game, the control surface will be 5 or 6, 7 times bigger than this. Basically, it has the preview bus down here on the bottom. It's got the program bus here in the middle. It's got media player controls here. Over here, it has some delegation for what the T-bar does. It has take and it has auto. There's a fade to black button over here. I don't use this very much because I don't like the way it works on the Tricaster. The top section right here, all of this section right here, deals with what's called mix effects and a utility bus. The utility bus isn't really used very much at all on our switcher. Mix effects is used somewhat. This set of buttons here delegates which function gets so if you're going to push some buttons here for the mix effects, it decides which mix effects are applied to. This is for some live set functions, and these are positioners. Basically, this part of the switcher, the top here, the middle here, and the top over here, it's not really used very much. In the actual production, the director might say, ready camera 1, and the technical director would push camera 1 on the preview bus. Then the director would say, take camera 1, and the technical director would hit the take button, and these two would switch places. The take happens. It jumps from whatever's on preview, take preview camera 3, take 3, ready camera 2, take 2, and the director usually says ready and then take. Ready camera 1, take 1, ready 2, take 2, or the director can simply call for it to be taken directly, take 2, without any ready. The director can also say dissolve to 2, in which case the technical director hits the auto button, and we get a dissolve. If you want a slow dissolve, then you use the fader bar or the T-bar, and you just do a slow dissolve by pulling it down from one to the other. Over here, this takes the downstream key number 1, it fades the downstream key number 1, take downstream key number 2, and fade downstream key number 2. We'll learn what keys are in just a minute. In the next video, we'll learn what mix effects are.